8 Goa Congress MLAs, including former Chief Minister Digambar Kamath and Leader of Opposition Michael Lobo, joined the Bharatiya Janata Party in Goa on Wednesday. All the 8 MLAs joined BJP after meeting Chief Minister Pramod Sawant at the Assembly complex in the day. We have merged with BJP with a majority of 2/3 to strengthen the hands of PM Modi and CM Pramod Sawant. Congress Chhodo, BJP ko Jodo, said former Congress MLA Michael Lobo. Meanwhile, Goa CM Sawant also took a jibe at Rahul Gandhi-led Bharat Jodo Yatra and said that Congress Chhodo Yatra will begin from Goa now, while welcoming the leaders. The BJP already holds a majority of 25 in the House of 40, of which its own 20 MLAs. After the joining of 8 Congress MLAs, its count will rise to 33. The development came amid Congress leader Rahul Gandhi-led Bharat Jodo Yatra to combat the BJP-led centre and awaken the country's people to the dangers of economic inequalities, social polarization and political centralization. The Yatra includes Padyatras, rallies and public meetings which will be attended by the senior Congress leaders including Sonia Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra.